honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to see if I can grate or slice up a cucumber in my cheese grater. So this was from Larry and Toby. I'm just putting this slicer part in this, what's the name of this? Love Kitchen cheese grater. I already saw that it could grate cheese nicely. So I'm putting this together. Let me show y'all what I did. Put this inside here. I'm going to snap it and cut up the carrot. I'm going to cut some carrots too. My cucumber. Put a piece in here and see if it grates or slices. I just got through slicing a tomato with a knife. Show you how to get the most slices out of a tomato. And it's in my meal prep container in this glass. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what's going to happen because I never tried this before. It's too big. Okay. Try this. If not, I'll just slice it like I usually do. Let's see. So far, nothing. Oh, I see it coming out the edge. I don't know. No, this ain't working. Okay. Let me turn it the other way. See what happens. Oh, it fell back down. I don't want to squeeze it to death. I probably would like the spiral vegetable slicer, because this ain't working. No, I don't want to mess up my vegetable. So no, this ain't working. So I'll just rinse this out with hot water. Okay. I tried. I don't want that little slimy stuff. So I just slice up my cucumbers. I just do it like that. I don't want this. It's been squashed to death. It looks ugly. Okay. These pieces were okay. Don't want that. Okay, that was a fail. I like thinly sliced cucumbers in my salad. I just want to prep it all at one time. So when I go for a salad, I don't have to stop and do nothing. Just fix my bowl and eat. Smaller pieces. I just ate one of those lumpy, bumpy oranges. Boy, was it sweet. Kids would love that because they're so easy to peel. And plus, they're sweet. going into my Milcon glass meal prep containers. I like them much better than the plasticware. Okay, that's good. Is that cut? I think it'll fit in the small one. I think it will. Yeah. Am I gonna make this fit? I love the smell of freshly cut cucumbers. Okay. That's good. I'll put that much in my salad. Okay, that's good. Lid on this to stay fresh. It's too full. That's right. Let it snap close. So here's my cukes. Okay, that's going in my salad today. Now I'm going to cut the onion. Y'all know how to cut onion. I don't want to cut it like that. I ain't trying to cut my hand either. I do have a pull and chop, I mean. That's a big old thick slice. Don't want no slices, I just want it cut. That's good. I don't want the core. It's too hot. I would like some nail polish this color. This is a pretty color. Red onion. Red. I'm scaring y'all with my knife skills. I ain't gonna cut myself, I promise. I don't want the core. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. Don't want that. Okay. I want to thank you for watching this little simple video. Thumbs up. Leave me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And in a few minutes, I'm going to show y'all my salad. Bye. Okay, this is my finished salad, y'all. My good, healthy salad with pork chop nuggets on it and a little bit of French dressing. Look at that. Got everything on it. They probably do hear you.